A man leaves half of his property to his wife, 1/6 of his property to each of his two daughters, and the remaining rupees 45,000 to charity. Find the value of the man's property here. Okay, so here the man's property we need to find, that we don't know, so that we will consider as here x. So let the man's property it be x. Okay, now from the x, I mean this is the what he's having present property. From this he has given half of the property to his wife. Okay, for wife he is giving half of that. Half of that means we have to divide it by 2. Okay, so that is 1/2 into x we can say, or just directly we can say x by 2 also. Okay, now here, so this much property he is giving to his wife, and after that again from the property only he is giving 1/6 of his properties to his two daughters. Okay, so let me write here d1 for for first daughter and d2 for the second daughter here, and the property total is having, that is x. From that he is giving again 1/6, that is nothing but 1/6 here. Okay, so we'll get x by 6, and for the another daughter also we'll get a x by 6 here. Okay, so this much of total property he has given to, I mean half of the property for wife, and 1/6 property to his wife here. Now the how much money it will leave remaining, I mean the remaining he is giving, that is rupees 45,000 to the charity. Using this we need to find the properties of this man here. Okay, so we have to write in this manner. Now see here, as we have considered total man's property is x here, so in that he has given half of the property to wife, and 1/6 of the part he has given to the daughters. Okay, so first what we will do, we will add the properties of the daughters here. That is, let me write 1 into x, that is x by 6 plus x by 6 here. Okay, both the denominators are same, so we can directly add this. So nothing is there, it means there will be 1. So 1x plus 1x will get a 2x here. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, so we will get, that is x by 3 here. So this much of property is shared to the both daughters here. Okay, now what we will do, now we will add wife's property and here daughter's property. That is wife's property which is having x by 2 plus and the x by 3 for the daughters. Okay, now we have to take a LCM here. So we'll get a LCM 6 here. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6 here. 3 into x will get a 3x plus here 2 into x will get a 2x. Now after addition we'll get here 5x by 6 here. Okay, so it means from his property, how much he is having a property, that we have considered x. Okay, from his total property he has distributed 5x by 6 of property to his wife and the daughters here. Okay, now we will simplify here. So nothing it is there means this I mean there will be 1 here, and one more thing here, when we are subtracting 5x by 6 from his original property, the how much it is leaving behind, I mean the remaining amount is, that is 45,000 here. Okay, see, remaining to charity. Okay, now this is the what expression we will get here. Nothing it is there means that just I have placed a 1 here. So 1 and 6 LCM obviously will get 6 only here. 1 6 1 6 6 6 1 the 6 here. X into 6 6x here minus 5x equals to 45,000 here. Now we need to subtract. I'll get here 1x 6 equals to 45,000. Now what we will do, we'll do cross multiplication. So I'm sending 6 to the right side. So I'll be having here 1x, it is Z law. Let me write only x. 45,000 into, we'll get a 6 here. Okay, here after multiplication I'm going to get here 2,70,000. Okay, so that is we got a x. That is x is nothing but what? His total property, right? The man's property is having a total 2,70,000 here. Okay, in that he has half of the property he has given to wife, and okay, and in that after addition we got a x by 3, right? So x by 3 of the property has shared to his two daughters, and the whatever the left, no, that 45,000 he has given to the charity here. Whether we found this is correct or no, how we can do the cross check here. This is the what according to the question we got the expression here. So in the place of x, let me substitute 2,70,000, okay, minus here it is 5 into 2,70,000 by here it is denominator equals to 45,000. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to divide. So here 6 1s are 6 45,000 the 2,70,000 here. Let me write 2,70,000 as it is. Now here we need to multiply 5 with the 45,000 here. After multiplication, I'll get 2,25,000 here, and the right side we are having a 45,000, right? Now here we need to subtract. After subtraction, we'll get a 45,000 here, which is equals to right side. Hence, what the answers we found, which is a correct.